the way forward for Cricket South Africa's hearings into transformation remains unclear for now. What it is clear is that the process was unlikely to be without some of the issues that have arisen, chief among them being the legal implications of the claims that are likely to be made against certain individuals. eNCA's Hloni Mtimkulu has more on the story.
CSA's hearings into transformation threaten to expose more cracks in local cricket if and when the process finally gets underway.
Many of the submissions are based on personal accounts of racism, of discrimination, of unequal treatment in the sport. There are many players who relay their stories about their careers being cut short.
A lawyer's letter asking about the nature of the submissions has raised concerns that players may be threatened against speaking out.
The letter that we received from Baker Kempatoni's does state that do the witnesses who are going to come forward, are they aware of the fact that this process does not necessarily mean that they are immune from a defamation claim? So obviously that, will discourage players. However, the players that were scheduled to this week were determined to come forward to tell their story, to tell their truth.
Some have suggested that the exercise, which is meant to avoid past mistakes according to CSA, will be used for personal agendas.
Whether the witnesses, are they not using this project to settle scores? There are also concerns regarding whether people will use this platform to drive a political agenda.
Those who testify won't be subject to cross-examination. The Office of the Transformation Ombudsman puts this down to the condensed nature of the process, from 18 to 24 months down to just 6 months. But those implicated will have an opportunity to respond to claims against them.
We had also, of course, alerted people who have been implicated that they will have a right to respond. So we were ready and we remain committed to this process. And the terms of reference do state that this project will be victim-centered. And Advocate Sebeza and I are committed to that.
According to Ngele, this week's submissions did not necessarily implicate one person, but focused on systemic problems within cricket. Hloni Mtimkulu, Johannesburg.